Tough, dependable, hardworking. Every Cummins high-horsepower engine is designed to live a long and highly productive life. But why settle for one life when each engine can have multiple lives? That's why thousands of customers use Cummins High-Horsepower Master Rebuild Centers around the world. Each advanced facility is ISO 9001 certified, supports Cummins Planet 2050 sustainability initiatives, and is a showcase for Cummins expertise and innovations. So no matter where in the world your operation takes you, Cummins is there to support you. A Cummins rebuild is more than a repair. It's the life cycle management of invaluable equipment, allowing your operation to maintain peak performance. Each rebuild is performed by certified specialists, following stringent quality guidelines. Worn parts are replaced with genuine Cummins parts that may feature design improvements. Rebuilds are also an opportunity to request engine performance modifications and warranty the engine for another year. The benefits to your overall operation are engines that last longer, perform like new, and lower your total cost of ownership. At a Cummins Master Rebuild Center, engines move through a detailed 6-step process with a heavy emphasis on defect prevention to maintain Cummins quality. Step 1. Tear down. We disassemble engine cores to the last bolt, removing worn and broken parts while sending the reusable parts to the next step. Step 2. Cleaning. We individually clean reusable components using the latest non-abrasive methods to protect the metal. Step 3. Inspection. Using sophisticated measuring devices, some that can detect defects invisible to the naked eye, we verify each reused part can be brought back to original specs. Step 4. Remachining. We take out-of-spec parts and remachine them for accuracy. Precision electronic gauging ensures they meet our strict specifications. Step 5. Reassembly. We put the engine back together, combining remanufactured parts with any new parts that are necessary. During reassembly, we perform over 150 quality checks that follow the Cummins factory assembly process. We replace critical wear parts such as pistons, rings, bearings, bushings, filters, gaskets, seals, and more with new, genuine Cummins parts. Step 6. Testing. After reassembly, we run each engine through 27 rigorous tests, measuring horsepower, torque, and other key functions to ensure years of worry-free performance. Then we repaint to customers' requirements. More uptime, improved efficiency, increased power, peace of mind. Keep your operation running by giving your high-horsepower equipment new life with rebuilt engines from a Cummins Master Rebuild Center. To determine the ideal time to schedule a rebuild, consult your local Cummins representative. Cummins, for a world that's always on.